How to fix Instagram account status. Is your Instagram account status showing at risk or restricted? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix your Instagram account status and get back to using your account normally. So let's get started. The first step is to check your account status. For that, open the Instagram app. Now, tap onto your profile icon right here. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner just right here. Then tap onto the search bar and type status just like this and tap on to show activity status right here. Now select it. Then here we can find the button right here which is the activity status. If it is disabled just like this, then simply enable it by clicking on it just like this. Step 2 is understand the issue. Now check what Instagram is flagging. Is it a community guidelines violation, copyright issue, suspicious activity? Understanding the issue will help you take the right action. Now the step 3 is simply uninstalling the Instagram app and reinstalling it. For that, simply keep on tapping on it. Then here you can find the remove app right here. Now tap on it. After removing the app, you can simply reinstall it and your problem might get fixed. And the final step is to simply follow Instagram's guidelines. To prevent future issues, make sure to follow Instagram community guidelines. Avoid posting copyrighted content, spam, or anything that could be flagged as inappropriate. Staying within the rules helps keep your account in good standing. And that's it. That's how you can check and fix your Instagram account status. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.